Well, we consider the Arabic books as a chooser. We have huge document. For book printed in Arabic, we have multi-100,000 of book printed. For example, we have also the library in digital in web. For example, this Arabic collection online, we have 17,000 books. One is free, but 17 is and this. We can transfer these books from this collection to Commons, to Wikisource, but it's very difficult. I can speak after. We have between 3 to 5 million manuscripts in Arabic. A huge. We are also Al-Azhar Library, Suleimani Library, Istanbul, British Library. Also, we have around 3 to 5 million Arabic manuscripts worldwide. This example for manuscript in Arabic from Leiden University Library. This example, we have more 14,000 manuscripts from early Islamic period housed in Germany. These two examples. We have also the manuscript housed in Spain, Portugal, in other countries. This example we have works in. We have two in Arabic. We have two types of books, manuscript and printed. But this printed is manuscript also is not printed as me. Is between printed and the manuscript. We have also many documents as like this. We have also other documents. It's not a book, but it's very very important for history. For example, this is Ijaza certificate. Is also a certificate. Is in Morocco in
1227.
The certificate of medicine. And this is the abolition of slavery in Tunisia. This document is very historic document and proof at source. We works in this document in Wikisource and are for Wiki. We have other documents, also the certificate of. We have also this historical document. It's for about Leila Mora. It's famous for Arabic. And all this document is not digital. Is not text. You can serve as source for our research. We have other digital Arabic books. We have in worldwide multiple library in searchable text. For example, this library, Open Library, Gutenberg, but we have the most known in world Arabic, Al-Shamila Library. It's the most known in Arabic. Estimate is between 100,000 for 500 books. It is compared between 3 million manuscripts. For example, a Shamila Library contains 8,000 books and considered a huge library. I can't Step to Arabic open source can give this chart. It's our works in Wikisource. We have categories for comments. We have a problem of categorization. We have a huge number is to must upload to this chain, and finally to Wikisource to use in Wikipedia or to upload other documents. We have this example for categorization in Wikisource Arabic. We have multiple documents in Wikisource, is not in Commons. We have number, you can transfer, is other 1,000 documents. This 1,000 manuscripts, other is 1,000 of books, you can transfer. And we have other 2,000 magazine. This all is magazine in Arabic. We have
take time.
And other we are categorized it. As source we are use this in Wikipedia. This is content we are used. As also in Wikipedia we use situation. Arabic is in 10 position or 11. Promotion, we have a lot of promotion to Wikisource. This is the last one in Wikisource. We have used in heritage, in Islamic Civilization Project, in project 429 for dictionary, and for Palestine. The last is the project of Libya user group to promote. Challenge, we have challenge for OCR, and the distinction between Arabic text and other language, because it's very similar, but in Commons, in other, is not distinct. The use of OCR technology can use for because as Tufi and different script in Arabic. And other problem of dactylical and grammatical is very difficult. We need a specialist in Arabic for ancient script. We need develop specialist software tools for analyzing ancient Arabic. And other CVP copyright study for each book or manuscript is very difficult to verify. And this is my name and my.
Thank you.